what do you see as being the future of MES in manufacturing?
In the short term, I see the big monolithic applications going the way of the buggy whip, essentially not being as popular or common for a couple of reasons. One, companies, manufacturers are tired of these big, expensive, risky projects that too often don't work out. Those implementations of a monolithic ERP system, or excuse me, MES system, often go as well as that last ERP upgrade or implementation that you've had in your manufacturing company, and very often they don't go well. So because of those challenges, I think that monolithic approach is going by the wayside. Progression of technologies these days, the fact that we're able to create these open networks with unified namespace and these technologies like MQTT, Spark-Plug-B, et cetera, and we have a lot more tools at our disposal, like Factory Studio from TatSoft, Ignition from Inductive Automation and others. We can now build our own tools and templates and then implement those and then start to, and because we have very direct ways to communicate with other best-in-class tools like REST APIs and other methods, then at that point, it's a more straightforward process to create that patchwork quilt of best-in-class tools to solve the problem. So where I see MES systems going in the short term is more patchwork quilt, best-in-class tools to solve the challenges. The real question is, are the manufacturers going to are they going to think very short term and say, I need a production monitoring system, and then it presents them with a glass ceiling over their head and then they can never achieve more? Or are they going to implement something where they put in a basic architecture and then build on top of that architecture? Think of building a building. I'm going to start a new company and we're going to grow like crazy. I'm going to buy this little plot of land that is good for a house. Well, that's going to last me, for a little while. But what if I want to build an office building and house all the people that work, or the manufacturing plant? I need more and more space, and I didn't think about that. Let's buy at least a reasonable amount of space, make sure it's zoned well for what we want to do, and then we can grow into that space. And that's what that architecture does. So that's another piece of why I think it's going to be really important for the future of MES.